What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So don't get scared because I bought a wig from Amazon and I've been working on this thing for a little bit, like a little while, and yeah, I'm not the best at putting this stuff together, so cut me some slack because I know I could do a little bit better, well, a lot better. But no, it's always so nice to play with something different that, you know, like I don't want to dye my hair blue or anything like that. And what better way than just buying a wig? And this wig is from Amazon. It's so pretty. So the whole reason why I went with this color wig is because hopefully you guys heard of Blue Blood from Jeffree Star. He just released this last Friday and now I have it. I'm super excited. So let's open her up because I haven't swatched anything. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. That's what this looks like. Open it up. And there she is. I'm so excited. I'm just jumping right into this video, you guys, because like I can't wait any longer. It's such good material. It has a really nice clasp. And let's open her up. Look at all these pretty shades. Okay, y'all, I'm super excited. A little background story on this Blue Blood palette. They do have like its sister, the Blood Sugar palette, which I do not have, and I need to get my hands on that one because I need it in my collection. But this is like its a sister, so that's pretty cool. This did retail for $52 online. He is sold out, but I know he's gonna be restocking and stuff. If you live in California or like in Sacramento, they do have some. I seen someone that works there and they showed like a whole restock of what they had there. So I'm super excited to play with this. It has really variations of blue colors in this palette. All right, so I want to go ahead and swatch a few shades from this palette because I just want to get my hands into it. So let's go ahead and swatch. I really want to swatch Entitled, which is this really, really pretty shimmery blue down here. Go ahead and swatch it right here. Okay, that's a really, really pretty blue shade. Obsessed. Okay, let's go with Ocean Ice, which is right here. That's a really pretty like midnight purple blue shade. Swatch it right here. Let's swatch Blue Monday, and then we're gonna go in with the next one, Flourishing, which is right next to Blue Monday. Oh my gosh. So we have Blue Monday on this finger and Flourishing on this one, and I love these shades. Like, what the heck? They're so pretty. Let's swatch them. Those are the first swatches of Blue Monday and Flourishing. And you can build these colors on up. These are really, really pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and start applying to our eyelids because I need some eyeshadow and I need something to match this hair. So, all right, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is priceless, and this is a nice nudie shade. So we're just gonna take our brush and we're gonna apply this to our crease. And I already did put whatever concealer I had used underneath my eyes. I just brought it onto my lid. Okay, I'm just gonna do one eye on camera with you guys. So the next shade I'm gonna take is Untouchable, and this is a really pretty muted pink, which is right here. I love that this palette comes with a mirror, so that is definitely convenient. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this at the upper portion of my crease. And this is really pretty, very blendable. Okay, let's start adding some blues, because I'm ready for some blue in my lids and crease. So we're gonna go in with Mint Tea, which is the second shade of this palette. At the top, I'm just taking the same brush, tapping off the excess, and we're gonna go right in that crease. Whoa, that's like definitely a super like actual like mint tea blue I would expect from just like, it's like the same color that's on the palette, which is crazy. Okay, so the next shade I want to go into is Blue Blood. So it's only right if we go into the actual shade of the name of this palette. So let's get into here. And I'm gonna apply this to the outer portion of this crease, and then slowly blend the shade on out. Okay, the next shade I'm gonna go into is with the shade called Flourishing. Dip our brush into this shade, and I want to put this shade on the outer portion of our lid. These two shades mixed in together is really, really pretty. And they are blending so nice. Okay, with a smaller brush, I want to go in with Blue Monday, just this dark shade right there. And I think I'm going to start adding this. Let me see. I think I want to add it right in the center. So I want everything kind of flowing like this. So we have that lighter blue shade, we have that turquoise color that pretty much matches my wig, and then I want that blue, and then we're gonna pop a shimmer right in there. And I have like no fallout on my face at all. Like no fallout at all. Okay, and then I'm gonna take that Entitled shade right here, and we're gonna pop this right. Oh my freaking, holy shit. Okay, what the hell? What kind of magical unicorn I gotta zoom you guys in, like, you see that? This one does have a little bit of fallout, but no worries. That shade is so stinking pretty. Okay, going back in with Blue Monday. And I'm gonna go back in with Flourishing and then a little bit of mint tea, or a little bit of Blue Blood. So I'm just gonna kind of go back in and just hit those spots that are kind of, you know, went away with adding the other shadows. Okay, so I did the other eye off of camera. I'm loving how this is looking. I'm liking it. Okay, so I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with this first shade right here. And we're gonna apply this to the inner tear duct. And that's freaking blinding. Holy cow. Like, honestly, all of these shades don't even need a setting spray or anything to make it pop. Like, all you need is either a brush or your finger and you're like good to go. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Flourishing and we're gonna just pop that. Right in here. Okay, and then we're gonna take Ocean Ice and we're gonna apply this to the outer. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Entitled and then we're gonna run that right in here. Okay, y'all, so I put on some lashes and a lip, but this is the final look. I'll zoom you in. Oops. This is the final look, and I have to say that I am so happy I was able to get my hands on the Blue Blood palette, because this palette is just amazing. The blendability with these shades, and you have like pastel colors. Like pastel colors, you hardly see any really pastel colors in eyeshadow palettes. So it's pretty cool that he has like a, you know, like the top row of pastels, you have the middle row where it starts getting to your deeper shades, and then you have the bottom row where it has like these nice crease colors. So I feel like you can like choose some stuff from this palette that you can do every day, like Celebrity Skin, then you have Wealthy. Like these are like everyday shades, which is amazing. And then you have your just bold shimmer shades, which I think my favorite one is this shade right here. I'll swatch it for you again. This shade, Entitled, is my favorite color from this palette. Like, I don't even need any setting spray, setting mist, nothing to make this color just pop on your eyes. Like, this color pops like no other eyeshadow I've ever seen before, and that's like no lie. Like, it's so pretty. So yeah, I really like that you don't have to use a setting mist, but can you imagine like if you actually did use one, like how blinding that shade would be? Just really, really pretty. So this quality of it is worth every single penny. So once it gets back in stock, I highly recommend it, especially if you love playing in color. This has variations of blue, like especially if you love wearing blue, anything, this palette is for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video on me trying out the Blue Blood palette. I really suggest it, and it's really cute. Like, can you imagine, like, look how cute that is going to be like on the vanity. Like, it's really, really pretty. It's really sturdy. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like this video. If you have any suggestions down below, or tell me what part you liked from this video, then go ahead and write me something in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and I will also link down my social media accounts. That way you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all those fun places. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.